Hello guys, ohayo gozaimasu. Our food for today is okra and then ginamos. Natugnos man eh. Sugnos. Nakangati ka dito. And iced tea with lemon and coffee. And my rice. Daghan magbutang ni ate dang akong rice. I'm diet, char. And that's crap. Ito sa crap. Hey, wala man day kanon, guys. And I don't like this food. This one gulay. So yummy and yummy, guys. Rice natin red. Thank you for watching. Babus, mga unta, mga tayon itadaikimasu. Minasan. Ano sa man siya? Miswa. Are you go? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Twinkle, twinkle eyes pa.